chicken seeds and chinky mabo. Hi everyone, these are decoration lights for outside, but I have 4 and their purpose is to be hanged on a tree or just to decorate outside, but I'm gonna put them in the house. My brother came with them for me. They are solar lights and they're so nice, guys. They are so beautiful. I love them. I really love them already. So with me, everything is gonna be, I mean, most of the things at this time, at this moment, are gonna be lights. Look at this. Imagine at night, they're gonna brighten the moment and they're gonna look so beautiful. I love them already. I'm just gonna put them outside for them to charge. Yeah, that's just it. And I don't know how I will hang them in the house or where to put them, but I'm just gonna figure that out. I went to fetch some water at my sister's place, and yeah, they gave me sweet potatoes, my favorite. I can tell you, I cooked them, but they were finished before the end of the day. Filled up my tank last week and it cost me barely at the machines, watching all the folk driving around town to get all my thoughts out, clearing my head needs an hour past sundown, slipping away down the interstate, couldn't tell you my ETA, well that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different. I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone. I only took 3 of them because I thought I'll be the only one eating them. I ate them with rice and others just took them like the way they are. Chasing me down, blew through an album. Should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album. Should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different. I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone. That is a chicken fillet, and it had too much of an ice, so it was in the deep freezer. I had to defrost it and let it drip water so that I can cook it in the afternoon. The luxury of having own spinach in the house. I just go anytime and pick some few leaves as and when I want. This is an old spinach that I have planted in April this year. They are ready and I'll just let them cool off so that I can indulge in them.
Yeah, I'm gonna be alright. Sitting on the beach, feet buried in the sand. I can see your smile as the sun greets the land. When it kisses the waves and makes the ocean bright. As the darkness fades, I see hope in the light. As the sun begins to rise, the sky turns orange and blue. As brightness joins darkness, I'm reminded of you.
I did laundry in the morning. I woke up at 5 o'clock and then did my laundry. By 7:30 I was done and I ate my soft porridge. Then I went out to attend the community club, society batho ba Modimo. We do the society, and there is a time whereby we go and get together to collect some money. So I was done around 7:30 in the morning with the laundry. Then this is one of the things that were in the laundry.
Cause I can't wait to reunite, so we can while away the hours. We'll watch the sunrise, and when it hugs the shore, we'll run into the ocean and enjoy its warmth. We'll build castles and explore the sea, but until then, I'll see you in my dreams. We'll watch the sunrise, and when it hugs the shore, we'll run into the ocean and enjoy its warmth. We'll build castles and explore the sea, but
Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for everything, the support, your likes, your sharing. I really appreciate every little motsotso, every little second that you spend on my videos. God bless you and have a lovely day.
feet buried in the sand, I can see your smile as the sun greets the land. When it kisses the west